Hey there everybody, today I'm going to be getting some clips of me riding around on my dirt bike here. I hit my arm on that, but I'm going to be riding around on this. So, yeah, it's a Yamaha TT. I know you guys can't read it, but I got to read it for my own sake because I forget what this thing's called sometimes. It's a Yamaha TTR 125. It's not that big of a bike, but it's still pretty fun because it's got a clutch and a manual transmission. Clearly, it has a clutch. It's got a manual transmission. You get my fucking point. It's a 4-stroke, clearly, because it's just got the can on the back. It doesn't have an actual exhaust tube or whatever the hell. It doesn't have an actual muffler. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get a couple clips of me riding around on this thing, like ripping down there, like ripping down that way and stuff, pulling out of here. Yeah, so that's about it. I'm gonna get this thing started and I'm gonna go for a ride. So, yeah. Thank you everyone for watching. You all have a great day. Remember to like and subscribe. Screaming out. See ya.